These are the components of the brace. Left and a right wing, posterior and anterior support panels, which promote airflow, 2 pull tabs for effortless compression, crescent connectors, which align with each sizing arc. Sizing your brace. Each brace comes enclosed with an instructions for use, which contains the features of the brace, as well as the proper sizing and application. Right out of the package, each brace comes sized in the smallest configuration. In order to adjust the brace, first you want to take the proper waist circumference measurements. After you've done that, simply lift up on the pull tab, adjust the crescent connector, pull out the wing, secure the crescent connector, secure the pull tab, and repeat that same step on the other side. The brace is ready for use. Decreasing the circumference of your brace. Simply lift up on the pull tab, lift up on the crescent connector, feed the wing back in, anywhere within the sizing arc range, and attach the crescent connector and secure it, and do the same with the pull tab. Simple as that. Checking the setup of your brace. As you can see on this side, everything is done correctly. The pull tab is in the ready position. The crescent connector is aligned to the appropriate sizing arc. However, over here we have a couple of problems. First, the pull tab is not attached to the brace. And the crescent connector is not properly aligned to the second sizing arc. So simply to adjust this, lift up on the crescent connector, feed the wing in, properly secure and attach the crescent connector along with the ComfoGlide pull tab. Now the brace is in the ready position. Now wrap your brace. Make sure that it is snug. To tighten, pull your ComfoGlide pull tabs and reattach anywhere onto the brace. Resetting your brace. If you notice that your brace has some extra slack right here, as you can see, all you need to simply do is check to make sure that your ComfoGlide pull tabs are in the ready position, and assuming they are, what you're going to do is grab both ends of the brace and simply pull, just like this. As you can see, the string will retract and the brace is now in the ready position. Getting your ComfoGlide pull tabs in the ready position. First, what you want to do is make sure that both of the pull tabs are attached to the brace. You can simply do this by just attaching it towards the center of the brace close to the crescent connector. Go ahead and adjust this one on the other end, making sure that it is also close to the crescent connector and towards the center of the brace. Once you've attached both of the pull tabs, you want to go ahead and remove that slack just like this, and now your LSO brace is in the ready position. It is important to note that when caring for your brace, you want to hand wash it and lay flat to dry, or you can hang dry it. You do not want to put your brace in the machine wash or the dryer. Another tip is to use a lint roller. You can easily use this to remove any debris or dirt that may be on your brace.